What's up fellows, I'm Rob from Techy Pizza. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to get Infinite Ghillie Suits. So let's spread technology. So first step to get the ghillie suits is to come to the training area. See, I'm in the training area right now. So let me tell you where we will get the ghillie suit. So we will get the ghillie suit there. So we will go from there to there to get the ghillie suit. And there's also a surprise for you there. It's not a giveaway. It's on the crane only. Nothing, not very good. So this is our first gameplay video. It means it is a gameplay like thing. I'm just giving you some tips. So please support us by subscribing, liking this video, sharing with your friends and family. That will very good for us. So first of all, get to the behind of this crane. This is the full crane, big crane. Get back to this crane. When you will come here, climb it. Just watch it carefully from where to go up. So we are here, go there, here. Don't go very fast or you will just like that fall. So let me do it again. Oops. So I'm again here. So follow my path. Don't go very fast or you will just fall from this and you have to do it again. See, be aware here or you will just stuck in this path. So go like that. Be aware from this path. Frag here. We have to go from there to here. Jump carefully. Here's the dangerous path to fall. See, just don't have that like bunker. We have to just climb it like that. Now go ahead from here, here, here. And as you can see, here's our desert ghillie suit. So let's pick it up and we have our ghillie suit with us. See this. Here's the chicken. It's hiding because we are cooking it for our chicken dinner. Special thing is that it can't be it can't dead. So that was all for this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to never forget any video to watch. So bye. It was Rob from Techy Pizza signing off.